We are about to begin our special program, and at this point, we would like to call on all candidates to proceed to the formation area located just outside the glass doors. Kindly fall in line as we prepare for the formal processional. We also invite our parents and guardians to join their candidates and assist them in finding their place in line. Once again, dear candidates and parents, the formation will take place outside the glass door. May we request everyone's cooperation in maintaining order and solemnity as we get ready to open this momentous celebration. Thank you, and we look forward to a meaningful and joyous event with all of you. Hello. May we also request the presence and assistance of some of our clinical faculty members to help in organizing and guiding the candidates during the formation. Thank you very much.
ba kitang maayos para we can start already? Okay na? Pakiayos na, baby. Please stay on the line. Day na tabi magpara relakaw-lakaw.
With hearts full of joy and pride, we welcome you to this momentous gathering, a celebration of dedication, perseverance, and dreams realized. I am Dr. Judith V. Carino, and it is my distinct honor to serve you as your Master of Ceremonies for today clinical graduation of the Bachelor of Science in Nursing class of 2025.
And I am Emaloy A. Ilano, humbled and privileged to stand before you as co-host in this milestone event that marks not just the culmination of clinical practice, but the beginning of a lifelong calling to care and to serve.
Not just as witnesses, but as part of this our faculty, the visionary leadership of our administration, and above all, the sheer willpower of our candidates.
Indeed, this celebration is steeped in gratitude and reverence As we begin, may we gently remind everyone of a few important house protocols to preserve the solemnity and significance of this occasion.
First, we kindly request everyone to place their mobile phones in silent mode or switch them off so we may give our undivided attention to the unfolding of this remarkable event.
Second, we invite everyone to remain seated and refrain from standing or moving around during the key parts of the program, especially during the invocation, national anthem, and special messages, unless otherwise called for.
And lastly, for those who wish to capture this special moment, we encourage you to do so discreetly. Our official photographers and media team will be documenting the highlights. And also, we are pleased to inform everyone that this clinical graduation ceremony is being streamed live via the official Facebook page of the College of Health Sciences. So to our family members, friends, and supporters who may not be physically present with us today, you are very much part of this celebration, virtually joining us as we honor the journey, hard work, and triumph of our graduates. Feel free to share the live stream link and spread the joy of this unforgettable occasion, because today is not just a personal achievement, it is a shared victory for every heart that believed, supported, and cheered for our graduates.
Let this be a time of a meaningful reflection, heartfelt thanksgiving, and joyful celebration. As we proceed with the program, may we invite everyone to give your warmest participation in spirit and in heart.
Once again, welcome to the NCF BSN 4 Clinical Graduation Ceremony Batch 2025.
And now, with hearts brimming with pride and gratitude, we invite everyone to rise as we honor and witness the formal entrance of the candidates for clinical graduation, a parade of pride and fulfillment. With pride and joy, let us welcome the true stars of this afternoon's event, the candidates for clinical graduation of Bachelor of Science in Nursing, each accompanied by their proud parents or guardians. Today, you witness not just culmination of years of study, but fulfillment of dreams, born of sacrifice, sleepless nights, and unwavering determination and dedication to profession of caring.